Welcome back. In this one, we only have about 3 verses. Malachi chapter 3, verses 16 through 18, the Book of Remembrance. There we are. Then those who feared the Lord talked with each other. The Lord listened and took note, and a scroll of remembrance was written in his presence about those who fear the Lord and honor his name. They'll be mine, says the Lord of the Heavenly Armies, in the day when I prepare my treasure to possession. I'll spare them, just as a man spares his own son who serves him. When you return, you will see the difference between the righteous and the wicked, between the one who serves God and the one who does not. So, as we've discovered with the rest of Malachi so far, seems that he's talking a lot about things that we learn about hearing in another book, the Book of Revelation. This kind of sounds a bit like the fact of it said in there about how those that are a member of God's chosen will be saved. This is another telling of that sounds like it's backing that up. And these were written at different times, although I know that the Book of Revelations would have been written well after this, as it's technically a part of the New Testament and a Greek book. But that doesn't mean that it's wrong. So, as we've discussed before, the path isn't remembering every single one of the laws, but just how to apply them and use them and live according to Elohim. Food for thought, things to meditate on. Good night.